Hi everybody, it's me, Lola and
Lottie.
Today this is part 2 of LOLs. Let's go.
What's wrong? I want squishies. I like the babies. You want squishies? Well, it's bedtime, so let's sneak them in the morning. We have a plan. Let's get not done.
It's all still wet when I go.
Let's press a button. Okay, now let's press another button. Let's get the bed on.
Okay, so we need to be
quiet. Let's get into our little beddy.
We need to get squishies.
Let's get in our little beddy bits to make the plan up. Come on, let's sit in here. And then we beep so they don't see us.
Okay,
and
so
then
we need to
should we put that there? Or
okay,
no?
let's go.
Let's
We
just
need a plan.
Okay, so we can just do the squishies at night time. Okay, we can't do it now because they're not in bed.
Let's go.
No, we're not in bed.
Okay, let's go.
Our bed looks so squashed.
I know, we got our squishies. Where's the camera? We got our squishies there.
Now you put that too
Okay,
close.
we got yours.
Okay, what should we do now?
We need to. Oh, it looks horrible. It's so messy.
Yeah, we're all covered in squishies. Where am I? Where are you, Ronnie? Peeing here.
There we go, that's a nice thing.
Wait, don't.
Okay, the squishies go here. Okay, so squishies will go
So
around.
we're going to go and decorate our room, and we'll see you when we've decorated. Bye! Okay, so guys, we finished the room, so if I move out the way, you can see it.
We've added quite a lot of changes, but I think it looks good.
Yeah, so we're going to do like a room tour. So,
let's show you. So if you come over here, we have our squishies, look.
yeah, they're all around. Pop, 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 pop. And this is our bed.
This is our bed.
And there's a button here, just push it, and then that comes down.
Comes off, and here's our play bit here.
Yeah.
With some more squishies. Okay, let's put them
Yeah, and then here's
and
our
then
bed.
over here.
Oh, the dog's in the room. I need to come. Bring the dogs over. Just bring in the dogs.
Over here, we have our play mat with all our playthings on. Look. Oh, and these are our dogs.
Yeah, and they've got a spare bed. Get in the bed.
And here are our bags over here, and we've got our playthings here, and this is our play mat. Whoa, the dogs are everywhere. Dogs, no!
The dogs like sitting. They're guarding it.
Yeah.
We can guard it.
Okay.
They just fall over, so just leave
Yeah,
them.
the dogs can
So
go
we
back
can
where
just-
they were.
Yeah, they can just go back.
Wait, I forgot. Our sisters are asleep. Oh no! Quick, let's go to bed.
Oh no, they're coming. Okay, I can't. We need to get something to get on. Oh, get on here. Oh, I fell.
There.
On the bed, I was stuck. Okay, we need to get up. We're not in school.
Okay.
Was that the girls? Okay, I'm gonna get my friends. Oh, girls. Whoa, those. Cool. We did go and order them a new bed, so it's probably just that I'm so tight. Go just so naughty. I'm gonna tell you off when you wake up. You just wake up so much. I'm exhausted right now. Going back to bed.
in the morning.
Can't see me.
We're back. Hey, you can't see me.
Hey, you can't see me.
You can't see me. Move.
I don't know. Let's all just go back so we can.
Okay,
all see.
let's just all be seen in the camera. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
And
bye.
please comment.
Mummy's getting dressed. She hasn't got any of that on there.
Bye.